Hello, in today's video I'm going to show a very special product from Canvas to Craft. This is the New Year's calendar in Canvas, and there's a beautiful gateway sheet attached to it for easy transferring and then coloring it. How cool is that? This could be a cool DIY for you as in your hobby time, or for your friends and family, or for your kids to just sit and color them. It is a very fun activity, and then you can turn that into a home decor piece. This kit comes with a transfer carbon paper, a canvas calendar, a twine, and a gateway sheet. So the calendar is printed, and then there are two dowels to support it on the top and the bottom once we are done with it. So this is how it looks, and let's get started in making them. So there is this empty portion here for us to do our DIY painting. Here in this painting I'm going to show you fard painting. It's a traditional art form of Rajasthan, India. So let's get started with it. This is Mansa Priya here from Upcycle, and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. So for this project I'm using a blunt pencil to transfer the pattern onto the canvas. Blunt pencil helps to easily transfer it and then not tear the gateway sheet, so that we can reuse it. So carefully place your carbon sheet onto the canvas. Trace it. Secure your gateway sheet onto the place that you want to paint, and then place the carbon paper underneath. Make sure everything is intact and doesn't move. You can firmly use your hand to hold it, or use a tape, a removable tape, to secure it. You need to make sure that it doesn't move, because the pattern, if it is moving, it might look shabby and then out of place. Alright, let's get started with the tracing. I'm carefully drawing the border and then getting started with each element on the gateway sheet that is printed for us. These gateway sheets are so versatile because we don't have the hassle of sitting and drawing the entire thing. It is easy to transfer, and you can reuse it and use it on different bases and work with it. These are available with Canvas to Craft, and they have a whole range of gateway sheets and canvases in various forms. So I'm carefully transferring the pattern of the tree here. I think all the Rajasthani paintings have these beautiful banana trees and jharokas, lots of flowers and all the traditional elements. So now it is all about tracing all the elements. Just follow the process, and the top part tracing is almost done. Now we'll remove the carbon paper on the top and carefully place it at the bottom, like so. Make sure the design doesn't get disturbed, and carefully transfer again. Complete the tracing following all the pattern printed on the gateway sheet. So this is how a pattern got transferred beautifully onto our canvas sheet. And now place your canvas as per your choice, and then begin to color it. I'm using all the bright colors here for coloring the plantain leaves. I'm using two colors, a bright green and an olive green. And if you see in the gateway sheet, there are all the detailing done on each element. There are some stripes given there, so I would highlight them with black once I'm done painting everything. So enjoy the process of painting. Now I'm almost done coloring all the elements here. I'm using an acrylic paint marker. You can also use a 0.0 brush and black fabric paint to do the step, but I prefer using an acrylic paint pen because it is much easier to use, and for me it is quicker that way. So I've already done all the borders, and then now I'm giving a little border onto the painting and coloring it in different colors. You can highlight it with using Fevicryl gold liners or any 3D liners, just to highlight all their ornaments or give some extra designing and that charm to your painting. This is a totally optional step. If you just prefer painting, you can go ahead and do that. I'm just adding it to give an extra dimension. So this is about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the painting process of how I've done this fart painting onto the calendar. This is a very cool thing to do. Now the last step is to just add the wooden dowels given with the kit on the top and bottom. This helps the calendar to stay in place once we hang it. It doesn't fly. And once we have added the dowels, we'll quickly add the twine that is also given with the kit. Just tie a knot on both the ends like so. And our calendar is almost ready. How are you gearing up for the new year? Now everything has come to almost normal, and then things are getting back, and let's celebrate this new year. And I'm wishing you all a very happy new year. Enjoy and have fun. Thank you so much for joining me at Upcycle. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much. Have a good day.